How to create your own website for free. People are often intimidated by building their own websites, because they think you need to know a lot about writing code, graphic interfaces, and other technical issues. That may have been the case a decade or so ago, but today, anybody can build their own website quickly and for free, once they know a few tricks of the trade. When you use the free tools and theme templates available at open-source sites like WordPress, building a high-quality website is easy. Open source means that anybody can use it and you don't have to pay to use its tools. WordPress is very easy to use and even has hundreds of free tutorial videos you can watch that show you how to do every step. WordPress has thousands of pre-made themes, which are website templates that you can use for free starting right away. It also offers paid themes. Another benefit of WordPress is that it has a lot of free plugins that you can drag and drop onto your website, including such things as creating automated links to your Facebook, Twitter, and other social media pages, polls, and other desirable additions to your web pages. Plus, WordPress makes it super easy to add photos, images, video, and audio recordings to your website. And you don't even need to know anything about HTML or CSS code writing. If you can drag and drop, you have all the skills you need to create a high-quality, professional-looking website. Getting started with WordPress, the first thing you need to do is create an account with WordPress. It's free and only takes a few minutes. All you really need is an email address, and you are ready to go. Go to the WordPress homepage and click on the Get Started button. Here you can set up your free account and choose a name for your website. You will be sent an email with a link that activates your WordPress account. Now you are ready to build your page. Whenever you log into WordPress, you will automatically be brought to your dashboard. This is the place where you create new web pages, choose themes, add new features, and do everything else you need to build and maintain your website pages. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, there are a set of buttons you use to create your settings, make changes, and add new elements to your website. The first couple of times you use WordPress, you're going to want to take the time to learn about these tools by watching the free tutorial videos that explain how to use them. Creating your first web page. To build your first new web page on WordPress, click on the Posts button on your dashboard, and then click on Add New. This automatically generates a new page. There's a space for the headline or title and a box underneath for your content. You will also find different icons that perform various functions, including using different typefaces, bullet points, adding links, and adding images and other media. WordPress will automatically save drafts as you build your web page. Or you can click on the Save Draft button. To see what your page will look like to visitors, click on the Preview button at any time. When you are happy with the final version of your web page, click on the Publish button, and your web page will instantly be posted to your server. You can edit or modify your web page anytime you want, even after you have posted it online. Changes are automatically updated, so anybody who goes to your page will only see the latest version. You also can delete portions of your website, or even the entire web page itself, anytime you want. To learn more techniques about how to build your online business, then the doorway is here. Follow the link below and fill in your details. philandtomplus.com/subscribe. This article is part of online multi-millionaire Matt Lloyd's My Online Business Education Done For You article series. To have access to the global marketing and distribution rights of these exclusive articles requires Titanium membership. P.S. Before I go, let me tell you about today's free bonus. If you want to access our free video series on how to get free leads online using video marketing, then subscribe to Phil and Tom Plus by following the link below. philandtomplus.com/subscribe. Phil and Tom Media Publishing and Broadcasting help visionary families and a few emerging entrepreneurs to use video to grow an online brand and build a 6- to 7-figure business, become financially free and have fun while they're doing it. Phil and Tom would like to wish you well in your business endeavors. They look forward to working with you and helping you create your own website. Have a great day and thanks for listening.